What if I told you the reason you keep chasing more money but still feel empty has nothing to do with money at all? It's not because you're lazy, it's not because the system is against you. It's because you're trying to build a life without understanding who you are. Most people think money will fix their life, but here's what actually happens. You make more, you upgrade your lifestyle, but internally, nothing changes. Because your brain isn't just wired for survival, it's wired for connection. And when that connection is missing, but you don't recognize it as spiritual. You feel it as anxiety, emptiness, restlessness. So what do? You try to replace that feeling with things, money, status, attention. But none of those fix the root problem. And this is where it gets dangerous, because the more successful you become, the harder it is to realize what's actually missing. That's why this line hits differently. Thousands of years ago, this was written, "On that day you will realize that I'm in my Father, and you are in me, and I'm in you." Read that again. You're not separate. You were never meant to feel disconnected. But when you forget that, you start building your identity on things that can disappear. You're not empty. You're disconnected. And this explains everything. Why you chase validation. Why success doesn't satisfy you. Why you keep feeling like something is missing because you're trying to solve an internal problem with external solutions. When you understand this, money stops being your identity. It becomes a tool. You stop chasing from fear and start building from wholeness. And that changes how you earn, spend, think. Because the truth is, you were never meant to feel incomplete. You were just taught to look in the wrong place. The biggest lie you were ever sold is that you're on your own. If you want more hidden truths about money, psychology, and life, this channel is for you. Subscribe to Profit Wisely.